back with another video. Yes, I'm back with another vlog. I love doing these type of car vlogs. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoy them. I want to discuss the last 4 months with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and give y'all an update on my experiences with the device. Right now, it is my secondary device, but I use it every single day. I carry it with me. You know, I also have the Pixel 7a that I'm reviewing, and I use both phones all day long. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of my favorite phones so far, and we will discuss what I like and what I dislike about it, and just have a friendly discussion in the comments also. This is the camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra 4K at 60. So y'all let me know how that sound, how does everything look, because that's why I like doing these vlogs. I can use the cameras, and cameras are very important to people on phones. But let's talk about my likes and dislikes. Let's get this video going. Dislikes, man, I don't really have any really. I mean, again, the pen software could be a little bit better. I wish they would change it up, do a little bit something different with it. But overall, I mean, there's not really much to like about it. I mean, some of the software things are a little pain, like the horizontal app drawer, stuff like that. That's just petty stuff. But overall, it is a solid phone. The display is beautiful. The, 2K, what I don't know, even what they call a dynamic AMOLED panel now. It is a beautiful display. It's one of the best displays that you can get on a phone, hands down. Battery life has been the biggest improvement on here. I can get through a day and a half, without putting this thing on a charger, which is not normal for Samsung. Using the phone as an everyday phone, making phone calls, speaker calls, texting, just doing normal phone stuff, you don't have a complaint. Now, a lot of people might complain about the overall size of the phone, but for me, I like these bigger phones. The dual speakers are really good. The overall software, the Snapdragon on here is good. 120 hertz refresh rate on the screen is really good. The cameras are really good on here. I mean, look at the cameras now. 4K, like I said, 60. Now, the question is, can any phone that is coming out or has came out can beat this phone? For me, I'm going to say no so far. I haven't used a phone that's better than my S23 Ultra. Will the 8 Pro from Google knock this off? It could. The only phone I can see is the 8 Pro and maybe the Galaxy Z Fold 5, because I do like my folding phones. And that could be knocked off by its bigger brother, the folding phone. The 8 Pro, I'm excited about trying out too. It could beat out this S23 Ultra, but we will see. We have some time to make that decision. I don't think the Pixel Fold would be this, nowhere near the competition yet. But the Pixel 8 Pro might be able to give it some competition. But we'll find out. If you have the device, let me know what you think about it. Are you enjoying it? What size did you get? What storage size did you get? What color did you get? Do you think it's the best phone out in 2023? I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, because I'm really enjoying it. I don't have any complaints. You have a lot of accessories on here. The less curviness of it, just the premium build. I mean, if you want to complain, it has too many features on here, but overall, I'm really enjoying this phone. And I almost sound like a Samsung now. I had the OnePlus 11 Pro, or the OnePlus 11, it's not a Pro. And a lot of people enjoy that phone. It was at a great price, but it did not make me put down my S23 Ultra. It just did not. I'm running in the red light. Look at that. Call the cops. But it did not make me put down the S23 Ultra at all. But I'd love to know what y'all opinions on it. Right now, I'm going to say it's the phone of the year for me. Yes, I haven't used many imports. I know some of the imports out there have been really good, but again, it's hard for us to get them in America, so you know, I haven't picked up many. I have my Oppo Find N2, which is a great phone, great folding phone. That's why I'm excited about the Pixel. But overall, the S23 Ultra is probably the best phone out, especially in America. I haven't used the other ones, not yet. Hopefully I can pick up some. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Gaming on here was great. I mean, everything on here has been really good. Stay tuned to the channel. I have more phones coming. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Later, y'all. And listen to Baby Girl from the stop. Man, she sounds great. Peace, y'all.